This video is sponsored by Herbal Essences. Hey, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing 5 simple, maybe everyday things for you that I am doing to kind of prep myself for summer, prep myself to feel and look my best this summer. One thing I have been doing pretty consistently is working out. I recently started working with a trainer and I honestly love it. This is my first time ever working with a trainer, and I've been doing it now for 2 going on 3 weeks. I was finding that when I was going to the gym by myself, I wasn't really putting my all into my workouts, and I would also drop days. Like I would go a few days in a row and then I would take some days off and then I would take a few weeks off, and then I just wasn't being consistent. And I feel like doing it this way has helped so much, and honestly, I feel so good after my workouts. Summer self-care. This is a must-have for me, and self-care can really mean anything, but for me it's a few different things that I'm going to talk about. So first things first, hair. If my hair is not done or if my hair is not the way I like it, I just feel out of whack. And I know a lot of you guys feel me on this. So having my hair care routine on lock for the summertime is so important to me. And in this video, I'm using the Herbal Essences coconut water and jasmine shampoo and conditioner. These give me the scent of summer, and that's exactly what I need for a summer hair care routine. Herbal Essences has their iconic, amazing, long-lasting scent. Their products are tried and true favorites for many people for years, and they're gentle yet effective. The shampoo is clarifying, it gets the job done without stripping the hair, and then the conditioner is very moisturizing. They're also PETA cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, and color safe. Shaving / exfoliating is 100% a part of my pretty much daily summer self-care routine. Having smooth, baby soft skin is a must in the summertime, especially because most of us are showing a little bit more skin around the summertime. And then just going back to my hair, about once a week, I go in and wash, deep condition, blow dry, and straighten out my hair. So here I'm doing my hair and making myself feel good. Usually my hair lasts me straightened about a week or so. In the summertime though, I do have to wash it a little bit more often, but I love making time to do my hair every single week just because it makes me feel really good and polished and put together. Self-care to me is also getting out of the house and getting some sun, okay? So I'm packing up my sunscreen, my laptop, my towel, some water, all of my summertime being in the sun essentials, and I'm going out and getting a little tan. And I've been doing this a lot too. Of course, wear your SPF, but we're getting a tan, okay? And this is self-care too, changing out the scent in your home. I have these plugins, so I'm changing them to a summery scent. Light a candle, just make your home smell like a tropical vacation. Having a balanced diet and making better choices. Now, this is kind of my forte here. I always have talked about how I'm not really strict on myself when it comes to my diet per se, but I do try to balance. Like on this day, I'm going to show you a few different things that I made and that I ate to kind of keep things more on the healthy side. However, if you watch my vlogs and my other videos, you know that I definitely indulge. If you have me on Instagram too, you have seen me. I eat pasta and tacos and all these different things. But for the most part, I try to be consistent, especially during the week. And I'm usually pretty good in the morning time. So in the morning, you can see I'm making myself a smoothie. This was after my workout, and I put spinach and fruit and cinnamon, chia seeds, all kinds of good stuff, some protein powder too. And then I will go ahead and eat a meal. This usually keeps me pretty full up until lunchtime, or I'll even have a snack in between, like fruit or yogurt or something like that. But for this morning, for my breakfast, I was making egg with spinach, a little bit of cheese, and I also added some pieces of turkey in there. I actually also ended up eating a piece of toast with a little bit of butter on it. I didn't add that part, but I did, and it kept me pretty full along with the protein smoothie. My protein smoothies, I don't use those as meal replacements. I just use those to get in that extra protein in between meals. Like sometimes I'll do a snack. I only do one a day though, and usually it's after my workout. And I also take that time to drink my vitamins. You guys might have seen that in the last clip. And then here I'm showing you dinner. I didn't show lunch this day. I'm not sure why I didn't get a clip of that, but I think I had a salad. And then for dinner, I'm making some rice. So I put onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of chicken seasoning. And then what else do I put? Sometimes I'll put parsley, onion powder, garlic powder. Yeah, chicken seasoning. I think that's it. And then I also was prepping some potatoes this night because I was gonna eat this the day after. And so for the potatoes, I used olive oil, shook it all up, and then I put some sea salt, some pepper. I also put garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of steak seasoning, and it comes out so, so good. And the infamous salmon. This is what we were having for dinner. I've showed you my salmon recipe on here as well. I just think it's so easy. We have this about once a week or so. And it's just light, but it's hearty and it's so good. I just add a bunch of seasoning to it, some butter, some olive oil, and it just makes it nice and juicy. Instead of doing the potatoes for this night, I saved them for the next night, and then I did a sweet kale salad. The salad is so good. It has cranberries and this poppy seed dressing, and it's just bomb. Okay, so I had that as a side, and it's actually enough for 2 servings. So I ended up just doing a really nice amount for dinner time, and I saved the rest for the next day with the potatoes. Decluttering or storing your winter clothes. So I have these bags right here, these vacuum sealed bags, and I'm putting away. I actually had these snowsuits sitting in the office for a while that I needed to put away. You can pull out any jackets, bulky, heavier items that you just know you are not going to wear for the summertime, and put them in these little bags, seal it up nice and tight. And you can use pretty much any vacuum to suck out the air out of the bag, and it makes your items just super, super flat. And that way it's easy to store. I actually store most of my jackets and stuff in these bags, and I put it behind my closet where I can't see it. And it just takes up less space and leaves me more room for the summer shopping. And lastly, like I mentioned, shopping for summer clothes, summer staples, refreshing your closet. I feel like I do this every season, even if it's not a huge clean out or a big purchase or anything like that. I like to stock up on my favorite basics or get some inspiration for summertime looks. And so I will go on like Pinterest, pull inspiration, and then I will do a little bit of online summer shopping. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and a huge thank you to Herbal Essences once again for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.